So we've had some new Moo users say they're using AI, ChatGPT, Claude, whoever, and they're making these awesome HTML layouts. Can you add those to your new Moo website? So what we are looking at right now is actually content that was created by ChatGPT and is in a new Moo site, and it's just a couple clicks of a mouse and you can add it. So it's made this nice looking design, and you can just put it in and have it in as is. Or there's also, you can design things like this with Numu. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can add this stuff into your Numu site. And then in the next video, I'll show you how to make some of these elements and if you want to kind of design them yourself. So what we have is I do have the code. ChatGPT help me write the article. You can ask it to help you create the content. I didn't edit it or read it. I probably would do some refinements of it, but I asked it to write it first. And then I asked it to format it and give me a couple images. And I'm going to show you also how you can add images because those images have to reside on your website first. So I'm just going to copy this code so I have it. And I'm going to go over to my website. I've created a blank page. So all it has is this one blank block in the middle. You can at any time duplicate any page of your website and then make a little template where you just have an empty block there. So it just has the footer and the header. So in order to add the code, you just go over to your widgets and you put in code, and we're going to paste in what ChatGPT gave us. Now, I always find in ChatGPT, I have this little thing at the bottom, it's three little lines, but this end section, that's the end of the article. And then up at the top, it often has some extra stuff at the top. So it's just starting at section and end section. And now the article's in there. It might look a little different, although it looks pretty good when we view it here. But if you see any things overlapping or something while you're in your builder, all you have to do is go to your website preview over here, have it open a new window by clicking show in new tab, and then you can see what it looks like. So here you have a formatted article looking lovely, picking up the colors of the site. So what I did in order for it to pick up the colors is I took a screenshot of the website, this blank page that we had that was just had nothing in it, and showed it that. So it picked up the colors from that. And then also there are images here. So ChatGPT made these images as well. You might have photos or something that you want. Now, if you want images to appear, you do have to load them to your site first. And then you tell ChatGPT what the link is to them, because the images have to reside somewhere for it to be able to show on the internet. And I'm just going backwards because you might not even need images. But what you would do before you would ask it to make the code is you would go again over to your widgets here, the plus sign, and you're going to add an image and you're going to upload the images. And I have already uploaded them, but you would upload file and it would grab them. And I already have them here. So I'm just going to put that in. So I'm just do the one, even though we had two. And then you would save this. You can go website preview again. And then you're going to put your mouse on, and I believe right click on a PC on my Mac, it's control. And then I click the mouse and I'm going to go copy image link. And this is what you would give to ChatGPT. Say, my images are here, and then it can put the image into the HTML content. And if you don't have images or you don't need images, then you don't need to worry about that. And then you can delete this widget anytime. It won't matter because the image is still on your site. Deleting the widget doesn't delete the image. So it still appears, and this is the final look. So if you want to update the content, then you can go into the code. If you look and you do a control find or command F on your computer, you can actually probably find the parts of the text you want to change and you can update it yourself, which saves some energy of ChatGPT redoing it for you, but it's possible to update. The content is there. And knowing basic HTML is nice for those kind of edits, but you literally don't need to know what any of this code means in order to make it work. And you can add these HTML widgets anywhere on a page. So say maybe you want to do something, just a certain part of your page that is designed a little differently. You can just insert that code. So if you have any questions, let us know, but it's an easy way to get fancier layouts. And in the next video, I will show you how to make some of these elements using the builder, because you have the ability to do little boxes like this, things like that. And we'll talk about that next.